back to my channel. Today current affairs, Indian National Development Inclusive Alliance INDA is Big Ten political alliance of 28 political parties in India led by the Indian National Congress. The primary objective alliance to defeat ruling National Democratic Alliance government led by the Bharatiya Janata Party BJP in 2024 Indian general election. Founded 18 July 2023, 5 months ago, presided by Inter Progressive Alliance. Political position Big Ten color, Indian flag color, alternative alliance, 28 parties, seat in Lok Sabha 142 by 543, seat in Rajya Sabha 98 by 245, seat in state is 1637 by 4036, seat in state legislative council 120 by 423, number of state and union territories government 10 by 31, politicals of politics in Indian political party elections. Etymology Indian National Development Inclusive Alliance, commonly known as India, is opposition front announced by leader of 28 party to contest 2024 Lok Sabha election. The name was proposed during meeting in Bangalore and was unanimously adopted by the 28 participating party, while some countries source of attribute the suggestion name of Rahul Gandhi, leader by Indian National Congress INC. Other mentioned that was suggested Mamata Banerjee, Trinamool Congress TMC, Supremo and Chief Minister of West Bengal. History: first meeting Patna Bihar Coordination for Unity. First opposition party meeting held by Patna Bihar was chaired by Chief Minister of Bihar Nitin Kumar on 23 June 2023, when by proposal new alliance was put on the table. Meet was attended by 16 opposition party. Second meeting Bangalore, Karnataka, formal formation. Second opposition party meeting held by Bangalore, Karnataka, 17 and 18 July 2023. It was chaired by UPA chairperson of Sonia Gandhi. When the proposed alliance was accepted by 10 more parties were added to list. The alliance name was finalized and given the name Indian National Development Inclusive Alliance. At the meeting, it was announced by third meeting will be held on city of Mumbai. Third meeting Mumbai Maharashtra preliminary plans. Third position parties meeting was held by Mumbai Maharashtra from 31 August to 1 September 2023. The meeting was hosted by Shiva Sena UPT, President of Uddhav Thackeray and Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, the Chief Minister of 5 states in attendance. Over 2 days deliberation of the alliance discussed major electoral issues for upcoming general election carved out of coordination committee and passed 3-point resolution to fight 2024 Indian general election together for far possible. Fourth meeting New Delhi seat sharing and joint rallies. Organizational structure: party coordination committee and election strategy committee, campaign committee, working group, media working group, for social media working group of research, Indian National Congress KC Venugopal, Gurdeep Singh and Chairam Ramesh, Bhavan Kera, Supriya Srinath and Ampet Dubey. Communist Party of India Marxist TBD Arun Kumar Pranchan, Aam Aadmi Party Raghav Chetta, Sanjay Singh, Raghav Chetta, Jasmine Shah, All India Trinamool Congress Abhishek Banerjee TBD, Janata Dal United, Lalan Singh, Sanjay Shah, Rajiv Ranjan, KC Dyagi. At the Dravida Munnetra Kalagam, TR Palu, Tirchi Shiva, Kanimuli, Karunanidhi, Dayanidhi Marani, A. Raja, Nationalist Congress Party, Shardar Bawar and Pishi Chakka Chichendra, Vandan Chavan, Rashtriya Janata Dal, Dejashwi Yadav, Sanjay Yadav, Manoj Shah, Sumit Sharma, Prof. Subeda Meghata, Jharkhand Mukti Morcha, Hemant Champai Soren, Supriya Bhattacharya, Alok Kumar, Avidivya Sudhivya Kumar Sonu, Samajwadi Party, Jawat Ali, Kiran Moy, Nanda Ashish Yadav, Rajiv Nigama Ashish Yadav, Alok Aranjan, Shivasena Uddhav Thackeray, Sanjay Rawat, Anil Desai and Arvind Savan, Priyanka Chaturvedi, Communist Party of India, Vishwam Palachandra Kango and All India Forward BLOC, G. Devendra Rajan, Narayan Chatterjee, Communist Party of India, Marcus Lenin's Liberation, Ravi Rai, Together D. V. Arun Kumar, Jammu and Kashmir National Conference, Omar Abdul, Hansrai Mozoodi, Tanveer Sadiq, Ifraz Shah, Omar Nabidar, Indian Union Muslim League, Kader Mogadin, Jammu and Kashmir People Democratic Party, Meghaboob Mufti, Dr. Meghaboob Beg, Mogid Ban, Idishia Mogabuba, AD Aditya, Kerala Congress, Jose K. Mani, Rashtriya Lok Dal, Shadi Diku, Prasad Kanoj and the Rogi. ஜாகாத் ரெவல்யூஷனரி சோசியலிஸ்ட் பார்ட்டி என்.கே. பிரேமச்சந்திரன், விடுதலை சிறுத்தைகள் கட்சி திருமாவளவன், மெம்பர் ஆஃப் பார்ட்டி. இந்தியன் நேஷனல் டெவலப்மெண்ட் இன்க்ளூசிவ் அலையன்ஸ் காம்பரேஸ் டைவர்ஸ் range of political party from across India. 27 member of party alliance are party political position, leader logo, flag log Sabha, Rajya Sabha presence, INS Indian National Congress Center, Mallikarjuna Kharge 47/543, 30/245, National Party DMK, Dravida Munnetra Kalagam, Central Left MK Stalin 24/543, 10/245, Tamil Nadu Puducherry, AITC All India Trinamool Congress Center 2, Center Left Mamta Banerjee 23/543, 13/245, West Bengal Meghalaya Tripura JDU Janata Dal United Center Left Nitish Kumar 16/543 and 5/245. Bihar, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, SS, UPT, Shiva Sena, Uddhav, Balashagab Thackeray, Center Right, Uddhav Thackeray, 6/543, 3/245, Maharashtra, NCP, National Congress Party Center, Sardar Power, 4/543, 3/245, Maharashtra, Nagaland, CPI-M, Communist Party of India, Marxist, Left Wing, Sitaram, Yechury, 3/543, 5/245, National Party, SP, Samajwadi Party, Left Wing, Akhilesh Yadav, 3/543, 3/245, Uttar Pradesh, IUML, Indian Union Muslim League Center Right, Kedar Mohadin, 3/543, 1/245, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, JKNC, Jammu and Kashmir National Conference, Farooq Abdullah, 3/543, Jammu and Kashmir, CPI Communist Party India Left Wing, Duraisamy Raja, 2/543, 2/245, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Manipur, AAP, Aam Aadmi Party Center, Arvind Kejriwal, 1/543, 10/245, National Party, JMM, Jharkhand Mukti Morcha, Hemant Soren, 1/543, 2/245, Jharkhand, KCM, Kerala Congress M, Jose K. Mani, 1/543, 1/245, Kerala, RSP, Revolutionary Socialist Party, Far Left, Manoj Bhattacharya, 1/543, Kerala, VCK விடுதலை சிறுத்தைகள் கட்சி தொல் திருமாவளன், 1/543, Tamil Nadu, RJD, ராஷ்டிரிய ஜனதா தள் சென்ட்ரல் லெஃப்ட், லாலு பிரசாத் யாதவ், 6/245, பீகார், ஜார்க்கண்ட், RLD, ராஷ்டிரிய லோக் தள், ஜெயந்த் சிங், 1/245, உத்தர் பிரதேஷ், MDMK, மறுமலர்ச்சி திராவிட முன்னேற்ற கழகம், சென்டர் லெஃப்ட், வைகோ, 1/245, தமிழ்நாடு, CPI MLL, கம்யூனிஸ்ட் பார்ட்டி ஆஃப் இந்தியா, மார்க்சிஸ்ட் லெனினிஸ்ட் லிபரேஷன் ஃபார் லெஃப்ட், தீபங்கர் பட்டாச்சாரியா, பீகார், KC, கேரளா காங்கிரஸ், PJ ஜோசப், கேரளா AD, அப்னாதால், கேமர்வாடி, கிருஷ்ண பட்டேல், உத்தர் பிரதேஷ், AIFP, ஆல் இந்தியா ஃபார்வர்ட் பிளாக், லெஃப்ட் விங் ஆஃப் G. தேவராஜன், வெஸ்ட் பெங்கால் PDJP, ஜம்மு அண்ட் காஷ்மீர் பீப்புள் டெமோக்ராட்டிக் பார்ட்டி, மெஹபூப் முஃப்தி, ஜம்மு அண்ட் காஷ்மீர் MMK, மனிதநேய மக்கள் கட்சி MH, ஜவாஹர்லால் தமிழ்நாடு KMDK, கொங்குநாடு மக்கள் தேசிய கட்சி ER ஈஸ்வரன் தமிழ்நாடு PWPA, Peasants and Worker Party of the India Left Wing Jayant Prabhakar Patel Maharashtra and Object Ideology. According to the Congress President Mallikarjuna Kharge, Alliance ideology revolves around the principal developmentalism, inclusivity and social justice by campaigning. Their effort for member parties aim to product democratic value, promote welfare and progress and counter their advance idea. India was formed with the objective defeating of incumbent BJP led by NDA in 2024 Indian general election revolution. Alliance passed 3-point resolution in Mumbai meeting in 1 September 2023 to collectively contest 2024 Indian general election. We the Indian party hereby resolved to contest forthcoming Lok Sabha election together with as possible seat sharing arrangement. Different seat will be intimated immediately concluded at the earliest collaborative spirit of give and take. India parties hereby resolve organize public rallies earliest different party country issues public concern and important. Indian party hereby resolve coordinate our respective communication and media strategy and campaign with the theme of India different languages.